In this tutorial, I will show you how to join the All-Star Tower Defense Roblox Discord server. So let's get straight into it. As you can see, I'm currently here with the Discord app open. If you do prefer to use the web-based version of Discord, that's absolutely fine, the steps are the same, so just follow along. So once you're logged into Discord, the first thing you're going to want to do is come to your server list, which is here on the left-hand side, and what you want to do is just scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you're going to see an icon here with a plus which says to add a server. So just go ahead and give that a click. And that's going to load up a window that's going to look like this. Next, what you're going to want to do is at the bottom where it says down here, have an invite already, underneath there's a button which says to join a server. Go ahead and give that a click. And in the invite link box over here, you just want to enter the following. So discord.gg / and then all-star. So you want to enter that just as it is here, all in lowercase, and once that's done, click the blue join server button down here. So you'll see what's going to happen. It's going to bring up the welcome window saying welcome to All-Star. Before you can do anything, you need to verify your account to chat. So what you want to do is click onto this box here, and to verify your account, you will be using Bloxlink. So if you haven't got Bloxlink set up, check out my channel because I do have a tutorial on how to go ahead and set this up. And what you also need to do is just complete a few more steps, as you can see down here. So just go ahead and click the blue box once you've verified your account, and you just want to read through these rules quick and agree to the rules of the server. And then go ahead, click the green submit button, and once you've done that and verified your account, you will have complete access to the Discord server and be able to chat and post as normal. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.